Hey, what's up, YouTube? Wanted to let you all see this new listing we acquired here in Decatur, Georgia. And I'll let you see the street. So, we are actually in Toney Valley. And this neighborhood actually is experiencing some changes. Um, Investors are coming in and they're renovating homes and, you know, modernizing them. Owner occupants are coming in here to purchase and to live and raise their families. So this home just needs some finishing touches. It's owned by a bank, and so it's being sold in the current condition that it's in. So right here, if you walk in, and this home has a lot of natural light just throughout. So this is actually the living room space. Look at that, beautiful. And then here's the dining room. And as we walk through, there's a split bedroom plan. So as we walk through, we're in the kitchen. And so that is where the refrigerator goes, and this is where the stove goes. There's no space allocated that's open for a dishwasher, um, but you probably could figure that out once you come in here and maybe do a little bit of redesigning. So this is considered the owner suite because it has a bathroom. So here's the bathroom, and from floor to ceiling tile. Then you have dual vanity, okay? And you have natural light, which I love. I love natural light. So again, like I said, it's a split bedroom plan. So the other secondary bedrooms are on the other side. This is actually the laundry room. So let's go around to the other side of the home, and then I can show you the backyard too, which is really nice. So here's another secondary bedroom at the rear of the home, okay? And we'll go down the hallway. We'll run into the full bathroom, again, floor to ceiling tile, and the shower. Okay. So, like I mentioned before, it just needs some finishing touches. This is another bedroom, which is a slightly larger bedroom. It's at the front of the home. And then we go to the fourth bedroom, which actually has a bathroom in here, but we call it a powder room or a half bath, which is basically a bathroom with a sink and a toilet and no shower or tub. Sorry about that toilet. So let's go to the rear of the home, okay? And you can actually get to the backyard. We'll head towards the backyard from the side door. I'll show you the side door as we kind of walk around the house. If anyone is familiar with Decatur, Georgia, you've heard of the ever popular Candler Road. We are just a few steps from Candler Road. So Candler Road has like shopping, restaurants, and then we're extremely close to Atlanta, Georgia. Um, so this location is Decatur is a really great location. The city in general is really growing and leaps and bounds. So people want to be here. This is what is considered desirable. So this right here, we call it the detached garage. You can use it as a workshop, and this right here could be used as a fire pit. So you can really, really hang out in the backyard and really enjoy yourself. If you don't want this workshop or anywhere to put storage, you can just remove it. And there's the crawl space. So this home is built on a crawl space, not a slab. In the crawl space, you'll find your water heater, you'll find your furnace, and that's what's down there. And you can kind of crawl around. You can't truly stand up, but you can crawl around and get to what you need to get to in there. And that's customary in homes that were built in this era. So, yes, here's the backyard and the lovely deck to entertain. So, yeah, there you have it. If you or anyone who's interested in purchasing real estate here in Georgia, Um, Give us a call, give us a shout if you have any particular questions you need answered about real estate here in Atlanta, Georgia. We'd love to assist you. If we can't answer your questions, we'll put you in contact with some people. So there you have it, our new assignment, newly listed. We'll have some professional photos coming soon. We'll have the lawn manicured soon. Yes, and we'll find a happy new buyer for this place. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.